The Bellary Lok Sabha seat from Karnataka is reserved for scheduled tribes candidates. The area has a significant population of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, Lingayats, minorities, and Kuruba community members. The Congress won 6 out of 8 assembly segments in the 2023 polls of the constituency, with BJP and JDS winning 1 each. Currently, BJP's Y. Devendrappa holds the seat. In the upcoming elections, the BJP has nominated B. Sriramulu, a former MP, while the Congress has chosen 4-time MLA E. Tukaram. Sriramulu has held ministerial roles including family and health welfare portfolio and has represented the Bellary constituency from 2014 to 2018 in the Lok Sabha, while Tukaram served as Minister of Medical Education and Bellary District in charge minister. Tukaram represents the Sandur Assembly constituency in Bellary District. Sriramulu has total assets worth 45.88 crore rupees, which includes movable assets of 6.22 crore rupees, and he has liabilities of 6.69 crore rupees. On the other hand, Tukaram's total assets are worth 2.01 crore rupees and 30 lakh rupees liabilities. Bellary is set to vote on May 7th, with results expected to announce on June 4th. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.